Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. In the swirling mists of challenge and opportunity, some figures carve paths that light the way for others. These luminaries, from varied walks of life, share more than just their achievements. They embody principles that guide them to remarkable heights. Take, for instance, the story of Oprah Winfrey. Rising from poverty to become one of the most influential women in the world, Oprah's journey underscores the power of relentless perseverance. Her principle: embrace your past, but don't let it define you. Oprah transformed her traumatic childhood experiences into fuel for her empathetic approach, which later became a cornerstone of her media empire. Then there's the tale of Elon Musk, a man whose name is synonymous with futuristic innovation. Elon operates on the principle of thinking big, really big. The founder of SpaceX and Tesla, Musk doesn't just aim to innovate, he aims to revolutionize entire industries. His commitment to renewable energy and space exploration stems from a belief that humanity must look beyond its immediate surroundings and consider its place in the cosmos. Consider the wisdom of J.K. Rowling, who turned her long train rides into a world adored by millions. After numerous rejections, she remained steadfast in her belief in the world of Harry Potter. Rowling's principle revolves around the magic of persistence, the belief that the stories we have to tell are worth telling, no matter the obstacles. We must not forget the resilience of Michael Jordan, whose career exemplifies the principle of bouncing back stronger. Cut from his high school basketball team, Jordan didn't shrink away from his love for the game. Instead, he trained harder, eventually becoming one of the greatest athletes in history. His story teaches us that setbacks can be setups for greater comebacks. Each of these stories is different, yet a common thread ties them together: the principles they lived by. They show us that success isn't about avoiding failure, but learning and growing from it. They teach us that our past do not define our futures, and that big dreams paired with relentless pursuit can change not just our own lives, but the world. In conclusion, the courage to continue, the determination to redefine oneself, the audacity to dream big, and the resilience to bounce back. These are the timeless principles that guide the successful. They remind us that in the narrative of our lives, we hold the pen, and with it, the power to script our own destinies. Embrace these principles, and who knows, one day it might be your story that inspires the world.